I got A1 for my O-level A-Math.
I managed to get an A2 for my E-Math in O-levels.
My O-level A-Math grade was A1.
My O-level A-Maths grades was A2.
For my A-Math and E-Math, I got A2 for both.
My O-level grades were actually A2.
Ready to take your grades to the next level. Secondary Maths Crash Course available for Set 2 and O-Level A E-Maths. The 8th to the 11th of June 2026, the 8th to the 9th of June. Secondary to Maths and O-Level E-Maths, the 10th to the 11th of June. O-Level A Maths.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls! Welcome to class today, guys. Very, very nice.
I attended the A-Maths crash course. Yeah, it was quite useful. Then I was like, oh, okay, I actually benefited so much from this crash course.
I attended both crash courses for E-Math and A-Math, and I think it really helped me boost my confidence just because I knew that someone was there to guide me through the topics that I was weak in, and I was able to ask questions freely online.
No, I attended the crash course and I took it for the subjects of A-Math and E-Math. It was actually very useful for me because in that crash course, all the hard topics that I couldn't really understand at first, like logarithms, integration and differentiation were taught very well.
So today I'm going to try my best to make you a master at trigonometry for A-Maths.
Sign up now at mastermaths.com.sg.
Sector limited to 70 students. O-level limited to 50 students only.